Imagine a world where you're not limited by the constraints of prefabricated parts. A world where you can bring your most intricate designs to life, right from the comfort of your own workspace. Welcome to the world of custom CNC desktop milling machines. A custom CNC or computer numerical control desktop milling machine is a game changer in the world of manufacturing and DIY projects. It's like holding the power of a large factory right in your hands. With it, you can produce parts with precision and efficiency, limited only by your imagination. But how does this wonder of modern technology work? Let's break it down in a step-by-step fashion. First, you need a design. This could be anything from a simple geometric shape to a complex 3D model. You create your design using CAD or computer-aided design software. This software allows you to create precise, detailed plans for your project. Once your design is complete, you'll need to convert it into a language that the CNC machine can understand. This is done using CAM, or computer-aided manufacturing software. The CAM software takes your design and translates it into a series of commands known as G-code. This G-code is essentially a set of instructions for the CNC machine. It tells the machine exactly what to do, step by step, to create your design. Now, it's time to bring your design to life. Feed the G-code into the CNC machine. The machine then follows the G-code instructions, using a rotating tool to cut and shape the material. The tool moves in 3 dimensions, allowing it to create complex, detailed designs. The beauty of a custom CNC desktop milling machine is that it can work with a wide range of materials. From wood and plastic to aluminum and brass, the possibilities are endless. So to summarize, a custom CNC desktop milling machine is a powerful tool that allows you to create intricate designs with precision and efficiency. It works by taking a design created in CAD software, converting it into G-code using CAM software, and then following these instructions to cut and shape the material. In essence, a custom CNC desktop milling machine gives you the power to bring your ideas to life. It opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to create anything from custom parts for your latest DIY project to intricate artwork. With a custom CNC desktop milling machine, the only limit is your imagination.